Hi, I'm Jordan Carfagno. I'm a New York City chef. Today we're going to be making a ginger chicken pasta salad. The first we're going to do is we're going to salt and pepper our chicken. Do both sides. Get a good coating on there. Leave that to the side. Let's get our broccoli steamed. I mean, you guys can put this in a saute pan with a little bit of water. You can boil it. Just make sure not to overdo it and make sure not to underdo it. So now that our grill pan's hot, we're going to go ahead, throw in our chicken breast. You want that nice sizzle? That's when you know it's hot. Don't crowd the pan. Work in batches. It'll take more time, but it'll be worth it in the end. I'm using 5 pounds of thinly sliced boneless chicken breast. And we're going to wait 3 minutes and flip. So while our chicken's cooking, we're going to get our dressing started. I've got about 1.5 teaspoons of minced ginger and 1.5 teaspoons of minced garlic. Mix those together, get that in the bottom of the bowl. To that, we're going to add the juice of 1 lemon. Mix that up. 2 tablespoons of soy. 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. And I've added in this rice wine vinegar mustard seeds. If you have mustard seeds, add them in. They're a great feature. Now we're going to add a little bit of Japanese sweet seasoning mirin. Probably added maybe 3 tablespoons of that we'll add. If you don't have mirin, sugar will do. Now we're going to add our olive oil. Probably going to go for 1/4 cup. Let's get a little taste. It's good. So now that 3 minutes have passed, it seems like the first side of the chicken's done, so we're just going to go give it a flip. Got some nice marks on there. Give that a good flip. Looks good. Now I'm going to add the pasta. I'm going to do about 1/2 pound of cooked pasta. I cooked 1 box. I'm going to take about half. Because with all the chicken and the broccoli, it's going to be plenty for 4 to 6 people. Okay, now that our chicken's done and chilled, we're going to slice it. You can slice this any way you like. I like to go down the center, make like nice inch strips. I like to give people a nice chunk of chicken. It's good. Now we're going to add our broccoli. You can add as much as you like. I'm going to add all of it. That was a whole head. And last but not least, we're going to add about a cup and 1/4 of scallion. Finish it up with that. Give that a mix. I'm going to bowl it up. You can smell the ginger. You can smell the garlic. Everything's married together nice. Clatter up nice and high. Well, there it is. Ginger chicken pasta salad. Thanks for watching.